Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use a promo or coupon code on AliExpress to save money on your next purchase. Let's get started! Step 1. First go to aliexpress.com. On the top right corner, click your profile icon and select My Coupons. Step 2. Find the coupon you want to use and click to copy the code. Make sure it's valid for the product you're buying. Step 3. Now browse AliExpress and find the product you want to purchase. Click on it and then click Buy Now. Step 4. On the checkout page, look for the promo code box. Paste your coupon code into that box. Step 5. Once the discount is applied, review your total and click Place Order to complete your purchase with savings. Bonus tip. Some coupons are store-specific or apply only to minimum order amounts, so always double-check the terms before using them. And that's how you use a coupon code on AliExpress. If this saved you money, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more helpful shopping tips. See you next time!